Gary with R&E Paint Supply. Today we're going to be adding a little bit of life with our flowers today. And what we have here are several of our products that we do sell in store and online. We're going to be cleaning our product with a wax and grease remover while prepping it with a red scuff pad. Once we get to that point, then we'll be applying a primer to it and our colors here that will also be supplied online. And then finally with a clear coat. The tack cloth will be going in between coats to adhere any paint issues that we may have to adhere a better and cleaner finish on the far end. So what we're going to do now is after we're done sanding them, we're going to use a wax and grease remover. This is going to remove any oils or imperfections that you've left behind to ensure that we don't get fish eyes or any problems with the paint. Basically, you're going to spray it down with the spray can and you'll wipe it off dry. You just keep wiping it until it's completely dry. Don't let the solvent itself dry on there. It'll actually stain and you'll see it in your paint itself. You keep wiping, wiping, wiping until it's done streaking and you're all set. And we're going to do that to all the parts here, and then once we're done there, we'll go ahead and move on to our primer. Okay, now that we've go ahead and prepped our metal, we're going to tack it down. What the tack rag's going to do is going to remove any small dust particles that we're not seeing to help improve our finish on the final end. When spraying any of our products, unfortunately you didn't see it on the wax and grease remover end, but on our paints and throughout you'll see me wearing a respirator. I highly recommend a respirator as there's many chemicals inside and you don't want to get them into your system. Also wear gloves when handling any of the products. Again, your skin's very porous and we don't want to get those chemicals inside you. So we'll get our tack rag opened up here and we're going to tack these all down and get them ready for the primer. This is our sealer product. This is going to go ahead and go apply to the bare metal. Once we apply this, we're going to wait about 20 minutes and then go ahead and apply our colors. I'll walk you through the colors once we get there, but again, please wear your respirator when spraying our products. Alright, the center of our flowers we're going to do in a flat black. Won't require any clear. It's 000F on our website. We're going to apply 2 coats of this, about 5 minutes in between coats. Again, please use your respirator. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do our petals. I've just chosen 2 random colors. It's a yellow on a smart car. The paint code is EAL, Edward Apple Larry. And then the other one is P62 for a Chrysler.